Six number people are with Venus energy. They are more into luxuries and luxury related to business. Like aviation का काम इनको बहुत suit करता है और aviation का काम of course it's a very big business. Then hotel line का काम इनको बहुत suit करता है जैसे कि your person is also 6 number and he is running a launch. So ये काम इन लोगों को बहुत suit करते हैं 6 नंबर के लोगों को इनको ब्यूटी रिलेटेड लाइन भी सूट करती है सलोन्स का काम बुटीक्स का काम और इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन का काम फर्नीचर की शॉप ये सारी चीजें नंबर 6 वालों को सूट करती है इसका डायरेक्शन है नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड इसका एलिमेंट है मेटल एंड इसका और क्या होता है प्लैनेट है वीनस ऑलराइट सो if you want to boost up your number 6 and if you want to give the energies to your date of birth for number 6 and you are missing that number then you should enhance your northwest area with beautiful metallic things like metallic painting metallic statues depicting something money related things like Fortuna goddess Fortuna like laughing Buddha with coins and something that is depicting luxury like Eiffel Tower painting or Eiffel Tower statue these type of things or nothing else you want you can what you can do is you can place a bowl full of coins gold and silver coins so any currency will be okay any low currency will be okay and if you are all right that everything is safe and secure you can also put silver coins if you have like pure silver coins okay so and also northwest area when you are enhancing it it must be very fragrant so always remember that there should not be any clutter and there should not be any means nothing like stinky or you know no smell not like that you have to put your incense sticks there you have to put your diffuser there you can light a camphor there camphor is very good for number 6 so you can light your camphor over there in the diffuser or in the camphor burner so whenever you want to enhance number 6 place these type of things fragranted things beautiful things that are depicting luxury that are depicting money these type of things all right and 6 number is also related to passion so if you're having some problems in your relationship or you want your relationship to be more beautiful you can also place a picture with a pose of love making or a couple picture or something which shows togetherness or harmony or passion like that okay so these type of things should be kept in number 6 so we did number 8 we did number 1 we did number 6 now we go to second success planes what is success plane second Dipti
951
951 now 951 you can have the recording later so you mute yourself right so if you see 951 in 951 9 and 5 and 1 just keep it in your mind that number 9 number 5 and number 1 are almost the same their nature is same though number 1 is water and number 9 is fire both of the energies are totally different but still the nature is same why I am saying is because number 1 is also very enthusiastic so much of energy of speaking skill so much of energy of ambitiousness so much of energy to make something to do something so that number 1 is having the energy of a king personality number 1 is very ambitious number they want to do something in their life they can't sit idle and they have a zeal they have power they have ambitious they have energies they have high skills to do something to perform something to come out in the market and to show themselves this is number 1 now number 9 is also same But the difference between number 1 and 9 is only one. Number 9 is also same in energies, same in ambitions, same in the power to do things, to come out in the market, to speak, because number 9 is also fire number, and fire is always very, very fast in doing things. So the difference between 1 and 9 is that 1 wants to do something to get something. Yes. Number 9 wants to do something to get fame. They want to get acknowledged. They want that everyone should know them. They should get famous. Their name should be talked like, in some respect. नंबर 9 में और नंबर 1 में यही एक डिफरेंस है. नंबर 1 को रिजल्ट चाहिए, नंबर 1 को रिजल्ट चाहिए, नंबर 9 को फेम चाहिए. Number 9 wants to get famous. That's it. Money is coming or not, that's not a problem. They are getting something or not, that's also not a problem. Their problem is their name should be there. Name and fame. That is the greed of number 9 only. Only this greed, nothing else. But the baki qualities are same. Okay. And then number 5. Then we go to number 5. Now, number 5 is a mixture of number 1 and number 9. Because it's in the center of number 1 and 9. 1 and 9 are both very charismatic. One number is the start of numericals. Number 9 is the end of numericals. Correct? So number 5 is the center of the numericals. So 1, 5 and 9, they are same, totally same. The difference what number 5 is having from 9 and 1 is number 5 is a risk taker. He wants to do everything, whatever it may come. उसको सब कुछ करना है नंबर 5 को, और करने का ठान लिया तो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए वो करके रहेगा. ठीक है. सो डिटर्मिनेशन नंबर 5 की, नंबर 9 का फेम, नंबर 1 की एम्बिशियस. ये तीनों मिलाकर एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल बंदा तैयार होता है. जैसे कि नरेंद्र मोदी, जैसे कि मुकेश अंबानी, जैसे कि शाहरुख खान. ठीक है. तो ये तीनों नंबर मिलाकर ऐसे लोग तैयार होते हैं. उसके बाद हमारी तीसरी सक्सेसफुल प्लेन है 4, 5, 6. एक्चुअली 4, 5, 6 सबसे पहली प्लेन है. 4, 5, 6 जो है वो क्या है? वुड, अर्थ एंड मेटल टुगेदर. ठीक है. नॉर्थ, साउथ ईस्ट, सेंटर, एंड देन द लास्ट नंबर इज नॉर्थ वेस्ट. ठीक है. सो ईस्ट भी आ गया, वेस्ट भी आ गया, नॉर्थ भी आ गया, साउथ भी आ गया. चारों दिशाएं आ गई. 4, 5, 6 में आ गई ना, आ गई ना चारों दिशाएं. तो चारों दिशाओं से एनर्जी मिलती है इनको, और बीच से भी मिलती है. ठीक है. तो ये बीच में भी पूरे हैं. नंबर 5 लेके बैठ गए. पहली दिशा में 4 नंबर की दिशा में भी पूरे हो गए, और 6 नंबर की दिशा में भी पूरे हो गए. So number 4, number 5 and number 6 are the most successful number. If somebody is having number 4, 5, 6 in their birth chart, the only sky is the limit for them. They can do everything. They can achieve money by their own hard work also, and by luck also. They get inheritance, or they get birth in a very good family background, royal family background. And if not like that, if they are born in a poor family, or they are born in a mediocre family, then also one time in their life, they go to the heights. They can do that wonders. Because of course, number 4 is southeast, number 5 is the center, and number 6 is the northwest. So all the four zones, they are giving the energies to them. Yes. And then the elements, if you see, wood, earth and metal. So these 3 elements make everything. Yes, they create everything: metal, wood and earth. So that's why 4, 5, 6 are the most fortunate and luckiest numbers if somebody is having in their complete date of birth. Then we go to 2, 5 and 8. 2, 5, 8.
Third successful.
2, 5 and 8 is also the successful plane. That is the third or fourth already. If only one also somebody is having, this is also the most successful 10. All the three numbers 2, 5 and 8, all the three numbers are related to what energy? Earth energy. So these people do wonderful. These people does wonderful in the property business. 2, 5 and 8. If a person is having 2, 5 and 8 in their birth chart, people do wonderful in property related business or earth related business. Earth related business also is petrol pump or related to petroleum things, made from petroleum things. And then they do very good in stones,
Gemstones,
gemstones, and in properties also.
yeah, and petrol
Anything
pumps.
which is related to earth or which is coming from earth, even the farming, we do very good in that also. Okay, so anything which is related to earth is a good business for them. 2, 5 and 8. So if anybody is having 2, 5, 8 in their birth chart, awesome. So now we have done these 4 planes and we have revised it very well. So you need to remember and you need to learn the zones. Very easy to learn the zones. Number 9 is south. Number 1 is north. Okay, only this you need to remember. Number 7 is west. Number 3 is east. You know the Loshu grid now. Okay, so between 1 and 7, between north and west, what will come? Northwest. That is number 6. Between 1 and 3, what will come is north and east के बीच में क्या आएगा? Northeast.
Northeast.
So number 8 is northeast. Okay, 3 east है और 9 south है. 3 और 9 के साउथ के बीच में, ईस्ट और साउथ के बीच में क्या आता है? साउथ ईस्ट. ओके, और साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच में यानी कि 9 और 7 के बीच में क्या आएगा? साउथ वेस्ट, यानी कि नंबर 2. ये जोन्स याद करने जरूरी है. 2, 5, 8 अर्थ है, ठीक है, ये अच्छे से याद करो. 6 और 7 मेटल है, ये अच्छे से याद करो. 3 और 4 वुड है, ये अच्छे से याद करो. बच्चा 9 क्या? फायर. दैट इज इट. ओनली एक ही फायर नंबर है हमारे पास
जी. मैंने अच्छे से नोट्स बनाए.
9 नंबरों में सिर्फ एक नंबर है जो फायर है और सिर्फ एक नंबर है जो वाटर है.
जी, ये मैंने अच्छे से नोट्स बनाए प्रॉपर.
यहाँ पर नहीं, यहाँ पर लिखो.
हाँ, मेरे को याद है कि वुड जो है 3, 4 है, वाटर सिर्फ 1 है, अर्थ 2, 5, 8 है, मेटल 6, 7 है, फायर 9 है. ऐसा मेरे को याद.
यस, ऐसे करके याद रखने हैं. ठीक है
जी. अब इसके बाद आपने फिर इसके बाद बताया था व्हाट इफ एनी नंबर इज मिसिंग इन योर, मतलब ये जो सक्सेस प्लान में जो है, जो भी 4 सक्सेस प्लान हमने की थी, तो इसमें से यदि इफ एनी नंबर इज मिसिंग, फिर आपने उसकी बताया था कि वो मिसिंग होने से क्या होता है, उसकी रेमेडीज क्या होता है, तो वो भी रिवीजन कर ले.
हाँ, उसको तो रिवीजन मैंने बताया है ना, वो तो बहुत लंबा चैप्टर है. आपको लिखवा.
अच्छा, नहीं शॉर्ट में. नहीं, आप शॉर्ट में बताते जाओ, बस रिवीजन हो जाएगा. मेरे पास नोट्स हैं, आप बोलते जाओगे, मैं रिव्यू करती जाऊंगी.
Okay, मैं बताती हूँ. अच्छा, so see if any number is missing according to the zones. So we will start from number 1. Number 1 is number north. Number for north. The area is north. And if somebody is not having number 1, which is not possible in the 19th century because everyone is having number 1. But still, somehow, sometimes what happen is number 1 is not very active. If it's coming only one time in your birth chart. Suppose if somebody is born on 5th of July 1972. So there is no number 1. Only one time in 1901 is coming. 1972 के 1 में आ गया, ठीक है, 9 में आ गया, 19 में आ गया, sorry. So जब number 1 का energy एक ही बार है, when number 1 is only one time in your date of birth, that number won't be very active.
शिफ्टिंग के साथ ऑल्टर करना है, तो मैं मेरा दिमाग
नहीं बोला ना आपको मैंने.
हाँ, मैं वैसे
नंबर मिसिंग हो तो क्या क्या होता है.